Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Fidelity Fractional shares. Fractional shares allow investors to purchase a portion of a stock, rather than a full share, providing greater flexibility and affordability. To get started, you need to have a Fidelity brokerage account. If you don't have one, you can easily open one online or through the Fidelity mobile app. Once your account is open and funded, you can begin investing in fractional shares. The first step is to select the stock you want to invest in. You can browse Fidelity's extensive list of available stocks, or search for a specific company. Once you have chosen your stock, you can navigate to the trading page where you will see the option to buy fractional shares. Next, you will need to specify the dollar amount you want to invest, rather than the number of shares. This is a key difference between buying fractional shares and traditional whole shares. For example, if you want to invest $100 in a stock that costs $500 per share, Fidelity will automatically calculate the corresponding fraction of a share. After entering your dollar amount, you will be shown a confirmation page that outlines the details of your trade, including the stock symbol, the fraction of a share you are buying, and the total cost. Review this information carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you have confirmed your trade, Fidelity will execute the purchase and the fractional share will be added to your account. You can then monitor the performance of your investment, just like you would with a whole share. One of the benefits of fractional shares is that they allow you to diversify your portfolio more easily by investing smaller amounts in a range of different stocks. This can be especially useful for investors who are just starting out, or who have limited funds to invest. In conclusion, buying fractional shares through Fidelity is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. By following these simple steps, you can start investing in the stocks you want, with the flexibility and affordability that fractional shares provide.